So we have come to the first batch of idols Let's go. So now that you know the story about start this making of the idols?
Ideally, we choose the auspicious occasion of Vata Purnima, either Vata Purnima or Sankashta Chaturthi.
Okay, so you all do it starting from the Vata Purnima.
Yeah, either Vata Purnima or Sankashta Chaturthi. If Vata Purnima is a bit far,
So Vata Purnima is the day that all these ladies tie down their husbands by going round and round the banyan tree.
that's the day it is.
Can you believe it? They want the same husband for 7 lives, so they tie that poor banyan tree round and round and round. Yes, we are going to do that maybe at a later stage for you, because there is a technical reason, spiritual reason why they do it. But that is what happens. So now let's get back to our making of the Ganesh idol. Uh, so another thing that I have heard, when they start making this idol, they use the terms एक गुळो, चार गुळे, आठ गुळे, दहा गुळे. What is this thing? Is it?
Basically, it's a measurement.
Okay.
The amount of clay that we used, it's formed in the form of a ball.
Okay.
Okay, and the ball in Konkani, we call it a guro.
Guro.
Ek guro. So if you look at it, it is
It's just a measure basically.
measurement formed up with a diameter of around 15 to 20 centimeters.
Okay. Okay.
And that's a measurement, and we use it together
piece cover. Let's find out whether Anuradhabai knows about the reason. Anuradhabai, do you know the reason why they cover it?
सर ते तांकां अशें हें आसा की ते आपूण जी मूर्ती व्हरता ती पयलीं लोकांक दाखोवची न्हू समज ती केन्ना म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या तरेच्यो मूर्ती
Surprise.
आसता सरप्रायज
Okay.
सरप्रायज अशें आनी डस्ट बसूं शकता सर व्हरच्या पयलीं आनी पावसाचे दीस न्हू पावसूय पडटा
Okay.
सो दे वॉन्ट टू टेक इट सेफली
Safely to their house. That makes sense. That really makes sense, because if you are carrying the idol and then something falls from it, or you know, these birds, they have got a bad habit of droppings. If it happens, then the whole charm of it is lost. The whole sanctity of that idol is lost. So, as she says, this is covered and taken more so for the family and the children as a surprise. What type of idol have they brought? Is it on a peacock? Is it on a tiger? Is it just so, or a flower? So this is the reason why they cover it. And on which day do they take the idol from here?
द प्रिवियस डे तय म्हणटा पळय
हय.
तयेचो दीस आसता
One day before
वन डे
चतुर्थी.
बिफोर चतुर्थी इट्स कॉल्ड अ तय
Okay.
सो ते दिसा ते मूर्ती व्हरता आनी आपल्या आसनार बसयता
Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, Chaturthi is the fourth day. Tai is the third day. So the idol is taken from here or from whichever the place they are selling on the third day, and it is established onto the place where the religious function is going to take place, and this idol remains in the house either for a day and a half, or for 3 days, or for 5 days, or for 7 days, or for 11 days, or for 21 days, and it all depends on the vow that you have made and how much capacity you have to say whatever the hymns have to be said in the puja in the morning, hymns in the afternoon, hymns at night. If you have got those people over there, that is the reason why they keep them for so many days. I hope that answers your query why people celebrate for 1.5 days, 3 days. It's all a vow and your capacity and your family members to be present in the house
तो तेका सांबाळूंक ना आनी तो हे करता आसतना पडटा
गणपती पडटा
पडटा पडटा आनी तेका वयल्यान चंद्र आसता न्ही तो आसता तेन्ना तेका विचार तूं केदोसो हो आसा आनी तेजेर तूं स्वार करता काय हांसता तेका पडलो त्या खातीर गणपतीक राग येता
हां
आनी त्या दिसाच्यान तो मागीर तेंचे दोगां भितर हे जाता
हां वाद
वाद जाता चंद्रा भितर आनी गणपती भितर आनी त्या दिसाच्यान त्या दीस आमी अशें मानता त्या दीस चंद्राक आमी पळयनात चवथी दिसा
चवथी दिसा
हय अशें मान
आनी पळयत जाल्यार कितें जाता
पळयत जाल्यार म्हणजे ते आमकां एक आख्यायिका आमच्या मनान एक फीट जाल्या न्हू तेजेर आमी हें करूंक वचना तरी आसतना आमच्या मनान एक सांगलेलें
भंय कसो
आसा
आसा.
भंय कसो भंया खातीर आमकां त्या दिसा सगळें बरेंच जावचें अशें दिसता आनी आमचें वायट जायत बी अशें म्हणून आमी त्या खातीर आमकां तें आमी हें करपाक वचना
That was a very frank opinion. come to Goa, eat them.